Some of you may have experience with this in the early 2010 area Fords. The door handles are plastic in here and they break, and this is what you're left with. You can, however, still open the door. If you have a Fusion with this, it will open the door. This has been that way for a while. But the better solution is to go ahead and buy a replacement. I went with the improved metal. This piece in here is plastic on that one, and it breaks right there and will not allow you to open the door. So this one's metal, costs a little more, but it's worth it. So I just have to take this door panel off, and we'll fix this thing right here. So we'll get started on that, and then I've already done the driver's side. It's much better. Now this does have a softer edge on the inside on the plastic one. That'll take a little getting used to, but it's not a deal breaker. So what you need is a T20 Torx bit. And something to get this plug out. Okay, easier said than done, it looks like. Do not recommend that method. My other side came off easier because it had already been taken off once. There we go. Look at that. I scarred it up, but I don't really care. You can take this off. You don't have to, because this is a little aggravating to get out of here. So that's not a deal breaker. But you got it one screw back here. And should have one down here at the bottom. Right there. From there we got our clips. I must say the driver's side came off a lot easier. Should be coming right off here. There we go. Yeah, that can stay hanging there. They need an 8mm. So, white piece clip in there, pop her out. Let's lift this right out. There's my fellow piece that broke. Now we get our new one. Now, this is the style of the rear, and this one is your front. So they're hard to confuse. Just don't go hooking it all up to this one and have to pull it back out. Can't tell you how I know that. I just know it. I like these because they got the magnets in them. Hold that screw from falling out. So first, put this cable back in. Nice and easy. Slide. Just goes right in there. Pop this back in. Takes a little bit of it's a snug fit. It ain't popping out. Let's say that. Now put this back in the hole. I'm not going to tighten it up. Got 2 holes that go on the back side of here. You want to make sure all that lines up before you go tightening it. There you go. All that's back in. That's there. Helps if you get the right bit. Let's back to our Torx. It's back in there. I hope I'm not the only one that constantly misplaces things. I lost the one on the other side too. Never did find that one. So let's find this one right here, right now. There it is. Found this. There's an odd design for this. Okay, so there's 2 clips, top and bottom. So our pry point was actually on the far side. So put that through there. Well, it broke. Well, I guess I may not have this on either side. It's fine. And then don't forget our other two. One right here. One down here. And everything went right. Look at there. And that's it. That was start to finish with a little bit of fumbling. And we got us a new tight working metal door handle. The plastic ones don't get good reviews because of the obvious reasons. This is what you're dealing with. It breaks right up in here, and then you can see there's more of it right there is broke. So when they fail, they fail. And I went ahead and got the whole set of 4. It was $50 off Amazon. I don't see any reason they're not going to do good. It'll definitely be better than this. So that's all I got. Hope this helps. Thank you. Well, as luck would have it, I forgot something. And you probably already know what it is. I said, come on. You remember, I said, hey, I'm not going to tighten this just yet because I got to make sure everything else is in place. I never went back and tightened it. So, easy fix. Pull that out of the way. Alright. That was it. I'll put the screw right back in. You know, we always say, hey, it's just that easy. And then can't even get the screw to get. And there we go. Okay. Now we're done. Hopefully there's no alarm this time. And this is a 2012 Ford Fusion. Trim model doesn't matter. It's just all those Ford pickups and a lot of Ford cars had the same style door handle, and they are known for this. They're known to fail because they're plastic. So just do yourself a favor, pick up the metal ones if you need to replace them. It's too easy to do yourself to pay somebody to do it. Like T20 Torx head and a 8mm socket. That's all you need to change this.